Hey yo. Land donated by blank. I don't know what this is, but check this out. It's a bus. The NW bus. Land donated by Blank Ship Farms. The NW bus. Enter at your own risk. Alright. So now we know. We're gonna enter at our own risk. So check out the bus, man. It's a pretty cool bus. I brought my bag with my SD cards for this camera, the P900. I did not bring it for my. I didn't bring the bag that I have for my GoPro. So now I'm gonna be using this camera, which is not bad. I like this camera also. It's a lot more, to be honest with you. But check out the bus, man. It's awesome. It's different when you kind of look at everything that's going on here at on this side. I mean, there's nothing but rolling hills. And of course, somebody has to mess it up by cussing on, putting some cuss words on it and all that. But, I mean, dude, check it out. Man, that's too much F words. I'm not going to go in because it says enter your own risk, and I really don't want to get in trouble, or I don't want to risk anything. I'm over here in the middle of nowhere by myself. Well, check it out, man. I think I will. It looks, oh, wow. Watcha. This is pretty cool, man. I'm messing with my screen. It gets higher and higher, but hey, what's up, man? 360 ceiling, clear ceiling. Well, it's not clear. There's no windows on there. Hey, man, this is pretty cool. I know you guys are gonna get sick and tired of hearing, "Hey, man, watcha." Better watcha. Check this out. The pedals. Put the pedal to the metal. Speed. Yeah. Oh, watch out, the Grand Caravan right there, baby. It's alright. It's not all that. But, shoot, that's not pretty comfortable. So, I'm here in the middle of watcha. Cajalotes in Ritzville. It's a nice little joint, man. And you have to drive slow and all, but it's not bad. There's the living quarters, man. Beverly Hills, right here, 90210, baby. 90210. Look at that, man. Look at the beauty, man. Like the rolling hills. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna tell you this, man. Camera, video, TV, all that good stuff. Honestly, that's not gonna make a difference. I know I'm kind of crooked, but I don't have my tripods with me. It's crazy, man. This video would not do it justice. Yeah, you might say, hey, rolling hills and all this bull crap, get a life or whatever. But honestly, man, this is beautiful. I mean, check this out, dude. I mean, you're over here jamming out, rocking out. I don't know, I'm trying to fix this. Here you go. You got like a Willie Nelson thing going on over here, man. The Grateful Dead. It's in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the rolling hills of Washington still. With horses in the background. Make me want to eat a steak. But, I mean, dude, This is crazy. This is crazy beautiful. Um, I'm sure I don't have any cell service. I'm sure I don't have any cell service here. But I'm going to Pusleys Falls or Palouse Falls. I don't know what it's called, but I will show you guys in a while, man. I'm gonna continue traveling and going along so I can find something else to do. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.